Hey guys, welcome back to Sleazy's Garage. It's been a little bit. One of my dogs has unfortunately hurt himself. He is recovering from TPLO surgery. He tore a CCL ligament, but he's doing great. The surgery was amazing. Huge props to Guardian veterinary specialist in Brewster, New York. Dr. Hart is a phenomenal doctor. So I haven't been out here in the garage for a bit, just kind of making sure he stays calm and recovers well. So finally got a couple minutes to come out here, and I guess I'm just going to start taking more stuff apart. This is where I left you guys. We took all this apart. I do want to get that front K-member out. There's a couple more wiring harnesses inside of here that I want to just kind of remove and clean up. And I got to finish taking apart the steering assembly and the pedal box. So got a bit of work. Probably not going to get to it all today, but you know, still have this axle to kind of take apart and clean up. But yeah, so just kind of lightly getting back into it. Cool. So let's get started.
go. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving.
It's really hot in here today. So we got the K-member out. That was quite a bit of work. I have to repaint the floor in here, but that's cool. I also took those two tires out of the back to remove the weight before I dropped it, so I wouldn't have a counterbalance issue. But yeah, so here's the K-member. I'm gonna replace it with a tubular unit. have some brackets from brake lines, fuel lines, and some other stuff I'm just gonna disconnect from. So, kind of a short video today. I have to go help my dog out a little bit. Yeah, so we got the camber out, removed some of the other stuff that's connecting to it. I gotta work my way back with those lines, but yeah, we're getting there. We're almost ready to, like, I guess, kind of finish up this engine bay a little bit. Start filling in the seams. Whew, I don't know when it's gonna get painted. This summer kind of got away from me. So that's that. I guess, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.